Okay. What's up, everybody? Oh, wait. Like one day without streaming, and I'm like, what is my life? All right. So what's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today? Hopefully everybody's having a pretty decent day today. Let me just double check everything is going good. That's a little loud. All right, chill. That should be cool. All right, yeah. So what's up? Sorry I wasn't in yesterday. It was just like such a crazy day yesterday. I just was like, I don't have time for even myself, so I couldn't make it to the stream. I told the people at the Discord what was up, and then I eventually posted. But yeah, I did do. What's up, everybody? What's up, Wiz? Yeah, 900 subs this stream. So excited, dudes. I'm so excited for that static stream at 900. I hope we can make it. Yeah. What's up, Zach? What's up, Sporsho? Is there really a little bit of static? That's just a teaser. It's just a teaser for what you're going to get. Yeah, there's a Discord. A study set it up. And people have been dropping questions and stuff in the Discord. So if you're looking to study more, I know Wiz is in it. A couple of people are in it. So yeah, if I know that there's like problems being dropped and people are dropping, things that they're not sure how to do, and they're helping each other, and it's like a really, really awesome community that study's set up. So I highly recommend that. Yeah. So yeah, basically I have actually believe it or not, I actually prepped for this stream. Yeah, I actually prepped it. Because it's a super stream, and I was like, I'm going to run out of things to talk about. So we have some math I want to go into. I think I'm going to really try to make this stream 2 hours. I'm going to try to make it super. That's the name of it, superstrém. So yeah, I'll try to go 2 hours on this. And I did a bunch of prep, so we have a lot of stuff we can talk about. So the first half, I want to go over these problems that I've put together for you guys. And then the second half, we can do requests if you guys want to talk about it. Yes, shout out to Sporsho for the thumbnail. That was clutch. Yeah, that was super, super clutch. So yeah, dudes, I hope everybody's doing okay. I know you guys going back to school in like 15 days or whatever, so I'm sure you guys are like trying your best to get. Oh, thanks for the sub when clouds fly. Appreciate that, dude. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, we're just gonna keep grinding, even when school starts. Like, don't even trip. So it'll be kind of cool, just to kind of keep this go. Oh my gosh, I'm at 899 already, dude. Thank you guys so much, dude. I know I'm about to hit 900. We're gonna have to do a static stream tomorrow. Wow. Or maybe not. Maybe I'll have it be on Friday as like a special stream, or Thursday or something. Wow. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna cough, so I gotta get away from the mic. I don't want to like blast your guys' eardrum. Oh, did I make it? Is that 900? No way. I'm refreshing my channel page right now. No way. That is too exciting if that's true. Wait, and you guys also saw this question. I don't want you guys to see it yet. It still says 899 on my channel page. All right, I believe it. Dude, thank you, Kashifa. Oh, no, actually, Kashfia. Thank you so much for the sub. Yeah. Thank you. You made me smile, Kashfia. I appreciate that. Wow. Thank you guys so much. Yay. I got to 900 finally. We did it, guys. Wow. That's so exciting. Thank you guys so much. Yay. Yay. Yeah, this has been a blast, dude. We're definitely going to do a static stream, if not tomorrow, the day after, because I want to make sure it's like legit. So yeah, thanks, April. Thanks, everybody. This is so exciting. What a time to be alive. And the static hasn't even started yet, and it's still such a time to be alive. Wow. And on a super stream, no less. What a day. All right, let me adjust my microphone and let's actually get into this. Whoa. Let's actually get into this. So yeah, thanks everybody. We all did it. I couldn't have done it without everybody like studying and just caring and being awesome nerds. So I super, super appreciate you guys. for getting it up to 900. And we're gonna have our, oh yeah, I should write it out. Super. We are going to have our 900 sub static stream. 900 sub static stream. Okay, that's so exciting. What a time to be alive. Wow, thank you. Oh my god, I just went through another pen with you guys. Oh my gosh. Dude, this has been so much fun. Thank you guys for subbing and all that stuff. Yeah. Yeah, totally. Oh, okay. Let me try to. Yeah, this pen is done. Maybe it has a little bit of life left into it. I'll see if it can go the distance here. But let's just sub this guy in really quick. So yeah, thanks everybody for helping me get to 900 subs. Super appreciate it. We're gonna do a static stream this week. It's either gonna be Wednesday or Thursday or Friday, one of those 3 days. I'll announce it, put a thumbnail, and we'll do the 900 sub static stream. That's so exciting! Yay! Thank you guys. So it's thanks Rinza. This today is so iconic. Yeah, it's what a time to be alive. Yay! Okay, cool. All right, so that's enough celebrating. Thank you guys so much for helping me get to 900. The next stop is 1,000 subs. Can you believe it? I could not. 906 subs right now. Wow. Thank you guys so much. Okay, so let's get into this. You've never had an empty pen? Are you kidding? Yeah. Yeah, dude, we definitely need to hit 1,000 subs before before tomorrow. No, I'm just kidding. But as soon as possible, that'd be so awesome. Yeah. Oh, and Rachel, if you have a thumbnail, just make it in like a Word document with just copy paste pictures and stuff. Like you can do it. It's like so easy. Yeah, just exactly Tenzin. Whatever makes you laugh, just do it and just send it. This one by Sporsho, I opened it and I was like, this has got to be it. I was like, wow, that's a real hacker man right there. Like NSA, watch out. I just hacked the entire internet. www.nsa/hack and you're in. Yeah. Okay, so we've been in the stream for 7 minutes and I haven't given you the same problem yet. So I gotta start. I gotta give you guys a problem. So here's your first problem. I'm going to be hitting you with non-stop problems today, so hopefully you have your pen ready, you got a piece of paper ready, you're ready to rock. Because we're going to be grinding, bros. First with math and then with reading comprehension. So prepare yourselves mentally, physically, prepare yourself emotionally as well, because you want to make sure you're ready for the day. All right, let's hit this first one. Bang. The area of a rectangle is 72 feet squared. If the length is 50% of the width, how long is the length of the rectangle? Let's get it. Yeah, Sporsho, you can make a thumbnail for me, bro. I just had to close the door really quick. Dude, thanks, Muster. Yeah, we're so close to passing PewDiePie. Especially now that he's getting married. Like, he's not even paying attention to the sub count. We're going to sneak up on him. Yeah, that would be awesome. Okay, we got our answers coming in here. We got Geek. Skills. What's up, Skills? We got Lynn. Nice. Or did you want to go by Liz? Geek Skills, Leong, Sporsho. I'm like kind of sick today, so if you hear me sniffing, that's why. But you can't get sick because it's the internet. Zach, Summer. Whoa. IQ man. Introvert. Wow. Pokar. Phoenix. Wow. Zach with a CK. Got you, bro. Wow. Okay. Liz. Knew it. I knew it was Liz. Got it. Sneak at 100. Venna got 3. Wonder how you got 3, Venna. Maybe that's right. I don't know the answer to this one. Yeah, you made it too complicated. Rachel, don't forget, reading comprehension is a big part of the math section. You can't drop anything in here. Shad, Rodney. What's up, Rodney? What's up, Shad? All right, cool. Dude, it's so funny. I cleaned my office today, and like there was pieces of paper like all around my desk, and it just had like pieces like your guys' name like all over my floor. It was so funny. My roommate was like, who are all these people? I was like, you don't even know. Don't even worry about it. All right, Muster, I got you too. All right, let's go over this one. So a lot of people want to do this just by kind of like feeling it out, and I like feel you. But I'm going to do this in like an algebraic way. So the area of a rectangle is 72 square feet. The length is 50% the width. Okay. So we know length times width is going to equal area. And we know that the length times width is going to equal 72. We also know that the length is 50% of the width. So we could say 50% or 0.5 of the width is how long the length is, right? Notice, every time I see an L, I could substitute it in with a 0.5 W. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. 0.5 W, times W equals 72. This gets a little complex here, so I'm happy you guys were able to work past this. What this ends up being is 0.5 W squared, kind of difficult, equals 72. Now, we have our W squared here. To get rid of this 0.5, I'm going to multiply this side by 2 and this side by 2. And that's just going to equal 1. 2 times 0.5 is 1, right, bros? So W squared equals 144. Ooh, okay. So we're going to take the square root of both sides. I said okay because I noticed this is a perfect square. Take the square root of both sides, and W equals 12. Okay, so we have our width. Good job for nobody putting 12 as your answer, because I'm not asking for the width, asking for the lengths. And so we're going to take half of that width to get to our length. Yeah, length is 6. Absolutely crushed. Good job, chat. Ooh, here we go. Number 2. Can't stop, won't stop. Let's go. A little bit of math vocab for you homies. And to answer your question, Wiz, I multiplied it by 2 because when I was just trying to get rid of that 0.5, I could have also divided it by 0.5. Yeah, Tammy, that's right. And April, no, width and length are interchangeable for sure. Let's go, OGs. Let's go, OGs. Okay, 110. A lot of people coming in on 110. All right, Rodney. I'm trying to get everyone here. Venna, Leong, Rachel, Grey Grenade. What's up, Grey Grenade? Introvert. Wow. Tammy. Wow. Skills. Sportsho. Yeah. Wow. 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 I didn't see your first one, Pokar, so you're good, bro. The chat was kind of moving too quick there. Yep, Wiz has a great explanation for people who are still kind of, yo gamer. Got you, bro. The true gamer. Muster. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Dude, really good job. So, really, really nice, by the way. You guys absolutely crushed it. So, here is the key here. This is the vocab word that they often will not like explain. So, you have to know what it is, right? And there's two things. We have supplementary, which is when you have a straight line and two angles, x and y. X plus y needs to equal 180. And then you have complementary. And they may ask you about these vocab words. That's why I'm going over this. So you got A and B, and A plus B equals 90. Okay, so this is the definition of these two words. Once you know that supplementary just means that one plus another is going to equal 180, and one of the angles already 70, so we're good to go, right? So, Tammy, don't ruin it. I am trying to make them harder. I will make them harder. I thought that was a hard one because of the vocab, but I guess not. I guess I keep forgetting how smart the chat is, which is hilarious to me because it's like you guys are so good. Okay, let's do another one. Yeah, let's get it. Here we go. Yeah, Rachel, don't ever sleep. You can't sleep on me, man. I will throw a hard problem onto you real quick. Yes, and then I will laugh. I do all the time though, because you guys are funny. Yeah. Ooh, what is that, Wiz? That's a pentagon play. You know what the pentagon looks like the one in Virginia or whatever. It's like where the military stuff happens. I guess I literally don't know what happens at the Pentagon. Is that where the CIA is? Or are they in Langley? Like, I don't even know. That's a Pentagon. And this is a hard question. Yeah, Shad. There's a concept behind this, though, that if you don't know it, you're going to get, like, you're going to have a hard time. All right, Pokegar's with the first answer, 160. Remember to have fun and follow your dreams, bros. Yeah. Remember to have fun. That's the key, is to have a good time. Skills. Skills. Rodney. If you guys haven't seen Skills as a speed run, I highly recommend checking out his channel for sure. Rodney. Study. Oh yeah, study. I was looking for you, bro. Where were you? Auditioning. Oh yeah, yeah. Leong. Liz. Yeah, dude. Yeah, Pokar. Shad. Well, dude, so what was your strategy, though? Phoenix. Phoenix. Okay, we got Tenzin on 110. Rachel, Tammy. Run out of room here, guys. All right, cool. Muster. All right, I'm going to go over this. Yeet. All right, so here's the concept that you guys need to be aware of if this one was a little bit more difficult for you. So we need to talk about interior angles. The interior angles of a triangle, if you add them all up, it's going to be 180. The interior angle of that's a three-sided shape. This is a four-sided shape, is going to be 360. And the difference between here and here is plus 180. So if we have a five-sided shape, that's going to add another 180 to it. And so the interior angles of a five-sided shape are going to equal 540. So we know that in total, this guy, all these angles have to add up to 540 somehow. And notice how there's a bunch of different ways that the SHSAT expects you to be able to figure out angle measurements. Here's the first one. We talked about supplementary angles already, bros. Two angles on a straight line need to add up to 180, so that's 140 right in there. This guy's 90 right in here just because of that square. Convenient, right? This guy is an opposite angle, right? So because it's an opposite angle, it's the exact same measurement. And we could do supplementary and then supplementary again, but you're going to get 80, bro. And then this is any point with a circle around it is 360 degrees. So all of this is 290 degrees, which gives us about 70 left. So now we add up all the sides. We have 70 plus 140, which is 210, plus 80, which is 290, plus 90, which is 380. Great. And so we know that there's going to be a total of 540. We're going to minus those 380. 14, 6, 1, 60. All right. Got it. Got it. That's what's up. That's what's up. Yep. Yeah, and Study Till I Pass Out has the actual formula of it, which is the number of sides minus 2 times 180. But I'm just kind of dumb with this type of stuff, and I'm just like, just add 140. How is that 140? Yeah, dude, because whenever you have, like, think of a circle, 360 degrees. Cut that circle in half, 180 degrees. Now, if I cut that 180 degrees, you know that whatever this is plus this is needs to equal 180. So whenever I have a straight line with two angles on it, that's like a half circle. So whatever this is plus this is needs to equal 180. And since that was 40, we know that's 140. That's what's up. Yep, Wiz dropped it out too. All right, let's keep going. Shebas. Rachel, I just imagine you like sitting at your computer with like a Shiba in your lap and you're just like watching the stream with your Shiba. All right, let's keep going, dude, because I have questions for you today. Let's go. There are three types of fish in a pond. There is a total of 45 fish total. If the chance of randomly selecting a cod is 2/5, and the probability of selecting a salmon is 1/3, how many of the third kind of fish are there? Let's go. Why am I taking revenge? I never take revenge. I only take redemption. Yeah, we're going to have an intervention with Rachel and Oliver Shibas. Let's see. Oh, you don't have a Shiba? That's tragic. That's a 2/5? Sorry, Rodney. That's a 2/5, not a D/5. All right, poke guards definitely on the speed today. He's watching this stream in 2 times speed, so yeah, dude. This is a 2. Look at that. It's a nice little 2 there. Oh my god, you guys are so smart. I gotta make these questions harder. April. Oh, what's up, Laurel? Laurel's in the house. Rachel. Rachel got over thinking about Shibas for 3 seconds to answer this one. No, it's 2/5 cods. Auditioning. Zach. Liz. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that changes it. But you got time, dude. You got time. Introvert. Skills. We'll go over this, Wiz. Don't even trip, bro. Genesis. Shod. Dude, this may be a no redemption stream. Everybody's so on it, Rodney. Oh, thanks, Shod. Yeah, if your dreams come true, Rachel, maybe you will get a Shiba one day. Don't give up on don't let your dreams be memes. You can do it. Red Wall. Red Wall. Yeah, Red Wall's in the house. Nice. Yeah, Tenzin, that definitely changes it a lot. Sporsho. Do I already get you, Sporsho? No. Vena. Phoenix. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, yeah, you guys absolutely demolish this gray. Got you, bro. Okay, cool. So let's do this. I'm gonna jump out and look at this now because you guys just absolutely obliterated it. Wow. Okay. 3 types of fish in a pond, and there's 45 fish total. Okay, so we know the total is 45. The chance of randomly selecting a cod is 2/5. So what is 2/5 out of 45? That's the question. You can set this up like this. You can say, oh, 2/5 is the same thing as x/45 and do your cross multiplication. That's totally legit, bros. Because keep in mind, this 2/5 is a reduced probability. The real thing has a denominator of 45, right? So you could do that, or you could just find 2/5 of 45, because what you're going to get anyway is 5x equals 90, or 2/5 of 45 anyways. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the cross multiplication. Okay. Divide by 5, divide by 5, x equals 16. 18? X equals 18. So that means that there are 18 cods. Okay, so we got that. Probability of selecting salmon is 1/3. So I'm going to do it the second way now, where you just find 1/3 of 45. And so what we end up getting is 45 divided by 3. And if we do 45 divided by 3, 1, 3, 1, 5, 5, we get that there are 15 salmon. So 15 salmon, 18 cod, 3, is that right? Yeah, 33. So that means the total of salmon and cod is 33. We have 45 total fish. We subtract our 33 cod. 2, 1. What's new? Chat's on it. Yeah. Does that make sense to y'all? Yeah. Yeah. I know, Laurel. It's so exciting. Yeah. Okay, cool. You want to talk about factoring? All right, dude, introvert. Recommend that in the second half of the stream today, because we'll have time to do it. But I just want to make sure that we get through the stuff that I've like planned out for you guys. But apparently, it's all too easy. Oh, you just added 2/5 and 1/3. That's smart, Mustard. Yep, that's super smart. That's a smart way to do that, dude. Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's keep cruising. I feel like I made all these questions way too easy for you guys. Now that I'm like in the stream and I'm like watching you guys crush these, I'm like, maybe I should have made them like super, super hard. The static stream hopefully will be super, super hard. I think I'm going to stay in tomorrow night and just work so that Thursday we can have a really cool static stream. Yeah, Laurel, we're going to do that either tomorrow or I think Thursday probably. Just because I want to make sure it's really dope. Dude, Pokar, are you like seriously watching this stream on 2 times, bro? You are absolutely like coming out with. I don't even know if that's the right answer, but wow, that was so fast. Daiso. Ooh, dude, wow. Thanks, Liz. That's so solid. That's so solid. All right, Geek. We got some answers coming in. Rachel, Rodney, Introvert. Wow. So how did you guys do this one? Like, what was your guys' technique behind this one? I'm always so curious. Auditioning, Laurel, of course, Genesis, of course, Phoenix. Wow, Zach. Yo, Gamer, Liz. That's what's up. Okay, so you're multiplying it by 1.25. Okay, okay. We got Vena up in here. Shad's got an. I saw that, Shad. You got like a weird at sign and then a 0. I saw that. You can take you can take away that message, but I saw that, bro. Skills, skills. Sometimes you can retract it before I see it, but not always. And that's an and symbol. I don't know how to do an ampersand or whatever that was. Study. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Red one. Yeah, really, Liz. The chat is absolutely on fire today. Muster. Everybody but Shad thinks it's 40. Okay. All right, so I think I should go into this one already. Wow. Absolutely crazy. Um, wow. Shameful. Where's my typo? What's the typo in here, Rachel? Yep. Yeah, I know, Shad. I'm just giving you crap, bro, cuz I think it's funny. Yeah, Shad got 40. But his first answer had the ampersand signed in it. And I only take the first answers, bro. You got to like retract your message before I see it, and I saw it. Okay, so yeah, let's go over this. What do I need to do to get a redemption? I don't know, April, get one wrong? I feel like everybody's been so right on this. Yeah, so let's talk about ratios. Okay? This is a reduced version of the ratio, and it's not even reduced all the way, right? So we know we have corn to pepper seeds in a ratio. We got corn to pepper seeds for sure. And that's at a ratio of 20 to 32. Yeah. And if the farmer plants 25 corn seeds, we got to keep the ratio legit. So a lot of people were super smart. You got to find out what the multiplier is between these two. And the multiplier is actually 1.25, which is really slick for you guys who figured that out, because a fourth of 20 is 5, and then 100% of 20 is 20, so 25. So then you can just multiply this by 1.25. Right? There's a lot of different ways to do this. You could set up a cross multiplication problem. You can do any of that stuff. Oh, sorry, April. Did you write down 40? I didn't even see that. The chat was like, so I didn't really see it. Dude, Tenzin, there's a problem. There's a triangle problem. The next problem, bro. So check it out. So I'm gonna do that 1.25 times 32 to see what we get. I have a feeling it's gonna be pretty dang close to 40. 10, 4, 5, 2, 0, 15, 6, 7, 3. Look, ging. Wow. Absolutely crushed it. Another way you could do this is you could set up a like a you could set up like a ratio or like a cross multiplication. You can say 20 over 25 equals 32 over x. Cross multiply that way or just reduce from the rip. This would be 4/5 equals 32 over x. Cross multiply. 4x equals, what would that be? 150, 160? Great. Divide by 4, and x equals 40. Doesn't matter. A lot of different ways to do this one, guys. You could set it up as a ratio of our old number to new number over old number to new number, and we don't know the new number of this one. Or you could just find out what the multiplier is to unsimplify this top whatever. So, yeah, that's good job. Yeah, good job, bro. Okay, nice. All right. Tenzin did not want to do triangle questions, and because of that, randomly, it just happened so to be the next one on top of the pile is this guy right here. But you guys are going to crush this really fast if you've been an OG in the stream. Let's go. I know, dude. I totally know, Liz. Like, I think for the static stream, it's going to be hard questions. Yeah. Yeah, this one is actually, I don't know if it's that hard of a question, but maybe it is. Maybe you guys are going to have problems with it. Remember to have fun. Okay. Oh, did I finally throw you guys? Oh, what's up, Henry? Gray. Got a little bit of a split here. Phoenix. Skills. Study. Introvert. Yeah. April. Got you, April. Vena. Laurel. Sorry, Henry, I already got you for an answer, bro. Yeah. Well, let's say, what's up, Zeden? Tammy. Tammy's got a pretty good explanation, I think. Why we tripping? I don't even know. We got Luau. We got Genesis. Wiz is guessing. What's up, you ate my gum? It's okay, we'll go over it, bro. Auditioning. Don't be tripping, bro. There's only 2 concepts. I'm about to show it to you. Mustard got 110. So maybe you guys did your addition subtraction wrong. That's okay, Gray. Don't even trip, bro. It's good. All right. I'm going to go over. Sorry, Poke. That's why I don't recommend speed. Like, I don't care who the first one to get the answer is. I just care that you guys get the right answer. Because you can be so fast. But if you mark an answer and move on, chances are you're not going to go back and check it. Especially because the test is so heinously long. So, like, I just am like, have your answer, be the answer, and just be like done with it. So do all your checking and stuff like that. No, I haven't seen the updated Area 51 plan. I didn't even know if that meme was still going, bro. Rachel, I think you're a little off with that number, but keep trying. Okay, I'm gonna go over this one. No. Yes. All right, dude. There are only 2 examples of yeah, there's only 2 concepts that you have to learn to do this one. So let me list them and then see if that like opens your eyes. 1, the angles of a triangle will equal 180. That's the first one you got to know. The second one is one we've already talked about today, bros. 2 angles on a straight line. Cool. That's it. So basically, the SHSAT could have said, do you know this? Do you know this? And that would be the same thing as giving you this problem, but they never just straight up ask for the concepts. Yeah, Wiz is dropping a really nice. Oh, actually, and you have to know vertical angles. So sorry, bros. Vertical angles. But you don't even really need to know that because you could do supplementary angle, supplementary angle. That works out just the same. So yeah, let me see here. Let's see here. Yeah. Okay, cool. So let me go over this. So yeah, um, we could say that these are just equal, right? Because they're vertical angles. Or I could do the supplementary route because you know these two angles are on a straight line, so that's going to be 140. And then you know these two angles are on a straight line, so that has to be 40. We could do it either way, bros. This one, we definitely have to do that supplementary work, and we'll get to it eventually. So if this is 40 and this is 90, that's going to equal a total of 130, but as this says, we need to equal 180. So that means what's up in here is 50, because if we add that, then we got our 180. 50 plus 40 plus 90 is 180. Good. So now we can do a supplementary. We know that this plus this has to equal 180. 50 plus x has to equal 180. I could write it down, but you guys probably could figure it out. Subtract 50 from each side. X equals 130. The chat is real. The chat is absolutely real. Really nice. I don't know how you guys got 40. Yeah, April, that's a really good point. The SHSAT is just a fancy graphic way to test your knowledge of things. Yeah, exactly. So yeah. Muster. Yeah, dude. You were a little off. I don't know how you got that 110. That's so funny. Oh, you did 70? Yeah, that'll get you, bro. That'll get you. Yeah. So yeah, good job. Everybody got 130. Really nice. I think the people got 40 maybe thought this was an X or something. I don't know. All right, next one. And then eventually I do want to do some reading comprehension with you. Oh, sorry, Sporsho. I didn't even see that, bro. Yeah, so I do want to talk about that. I think, and this might be a conspiracy theory just based off my experience or whatever. The Saturday SAT is easier than the Sunday SAT. And I think they do that for a couple reasons. One is because if you have friends that took the Saturday one, you're going to ask them what was on it. Like, let's be real. You're going to be like, yo, what questions were on the test? And they'll tell you. If they're good friends, they'll tell you. And then you'll have an advantage. So to counteract that, I think they make the Sunday one completely different and much harder. So that even if you study the concepts, you don't even need to know the answers. You study those concepts, it won't help you. So my experience, students who take it on Saturday are like, yeah. And the students that take it on Sunday are like, wow, that was really hard. So yeah, I don't know. It's like kind of up, kind of up to you. But I mean, I don't know if you guys get to pick or if you got to get assigned it. I don't even know. SAT. Oh, did I say SAT instead of SHSAT? Yeah, I see that. Yeah, exactly. I probably mean SHSAT, but yeah, Saturday generally is the easier of the 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. Yeah, so just be on the lookout for that because I think Sunday is the harder one and Saturday is the easier one, in my opinion at least. And yeah, yeah. If you're super cocky, take it on Sunday, bros. Yeah. Yep. Mm-hmm. Oh, you take yours on a school day, Alicia? That's cool, man. Can't believe they do that. It's true. The secrets are true. Yeah, they maybe not on the same scale, April, actually. Yeah, take it Saturday. Saturday. If you get a choice, take it Saturday. Yeah. I don't know if you do get a choice. Okay. All right. I'm not done. I felt so bad for not streaming yesterday that I did all this prep for you guys today, and I don't think we're going to get to all of it. But let's go. You guys are great, so just keep grinding. Let's get it. Minor arc ABC is 11 pi. What's the diameter, bros? And that's an ugly circle. I feel ultimate shame for that circle, but I have to get you guys a good question, and I did not want to waste another piece of paper. Oh, the perro es bonita. Oh, the perro es gordo. Yeah, Wiz, this is sector problems, bro. Well, this actually, I mean, you could say it's a sector problem, but it's like arc, sector, internal angle. Yeah. Ooh, a little hard. Pokar is absolutely a beast. I don't know if he's right, but he's been coming with a fast answer. But remember, it's not about speed, bros. It's about correctness. Because you guys are all really smart. So your margin of error is really small. So you want to make sure every single question you get is right. And you're like cocky confident before you move on. Rachel. And by Rachel, I mean Shiba. Yeah, dude, I'm good at Spanish. I like worked in kitchens and stuff. I know. Introvert. Sporsho. Oh my god, no. Liz. Oh, I spelled Liz Zill for some reason. I'm having some hard times here. April. We'll go over this if you're curious. Muster. Be careful, Muster. Be careful, bro. I know, Laurel. I know you know better, but that's right. Speed is not important. Correctness is what's important. De nada, Rachel. De nada. Red wall. Tammy. Oh, whoops. Tammy. Sorry, Liz. I don't know why I put Zill for you. That's just what happened. 66 pi. That's Shad. Red one. I already have an answer for you, bro. Sorry, dude. Why don't you divide by 2? We'll go over it. Yeah, sorry, Tenzin. Yeah, that happens, Pokar. Phoenix. Yeah, that's why. That's why. Okay. Let's go over this. Skills. Skills in the place to be. Small brain. Yeah, you gotta watch your signs there, Mustard. You gotta watch out, bro. You got not say. Okay, cool. So let's get into this. Let's take a slice of this cake, if you will. Literally, this is actually a slice of cake. So, or it could be. I mean, not literally. I'm kind of beat. All right, so guys, when we're dealing with sector, which is like a part of a circle, or we're dealing with arc, which is a part of the circumference, or we're dealing with a central angle, the key here, guys, and I want you to remember this, is part over whole. You have to know how part over whole works, right? And so we are given a part, we are not given the whole. So if we're just talking about circumference, we have the arc, which is 11 pi. We don't know what the whole thing is. We really don't. But we can compare it to the part over whole of the central angle, which is 60, over the whole angle of a circle, which is 360. And now we have like a nice little cross multiplication problem we can do. How cool is that? So I'm going to rewrite it, and I'm going to I guess it's not that cool, but I think it's kind of cool. I'm going to rewrite it, but I'm going to simplify this into 1/6. Because before I cross multiply, I always simplify just so I don't have to do some crazy stuff later. Okay, so what we're going to get is we're going to get x equals 66 pi. And I think that's where Muster kind of stopped. But always before you finish a question and put your answer in, reread the question. So you get to 66 pi, that's your x value. You look, there's an answer choice. Okay, let's reread the question. What is the diameter? So we have the circumference, right? The part of the circumference over the whole of the circumference. So remember that the circumference equation, because they won't give you this, bros, the circumference equals 2 pi r. So that means 66 pi equals 2 pi r. Now I'm going to divide both of these by 2 pi, divide this by 2 pi. Look at those pi's cancel out. So what we end up getting is 33 equals r. Now the radius is half of the diameter. So yeah, our diameter is going to equal 66. Good job, chat. Bang. Yeah. Cool, man. Yeah. So that's how this one goes down. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Did that make sense to y'all guys? If it doesn't, just slap that caps lock button and just smash your keyboard if it doesn't make sense. So yeah. Don't worry, Muster. A lot of your math is really good, Muster. It's just you stopped too early, bro. You got to reread the question before you put your answer in there. Okay, cool. Should I move on to poetry? Or not poetry. Reading comprehension. I think I will, because I don't see Tejas, and I did this poetry with Tejas, and if he's not here, I'm going to do the poem. Rachel, are you really confused about that? Send me an email. And Tenzin, I don't know if that's confused or not because your caps lock button isn't on, bro. I don't know if you're confused or not because your caps lock button isn't on. I definitely can go over that concept, but yeah. Yeah, so just if you're confused, you can always email me or whatever, and we can you guys don't want to go on to reading comprehension? Are you for sure? Let's vote. Let's vote if we go on or not. Because I have more math, and we're not doing poetry. So, here we go. Here's your next question. Reading comp? Compe? We have yay, and we have nay. No. Nay, no. D. I don't know. I meant to write dude, but I just kept writing D's. So let's have a vote. Yay or nay? That's what I want to know. I want to see yay or nay, and I'll tally it up. We got a nay. I don't take no's. I only take nays. Sorry. Rodney, yay. I don't take no's. I only take yays. Phoenix, yay. Gray's got nay. Tenzin's got yay. Tammy's got yay. I don't take no's. I only take introverts got yay. Reading comp, yay. Henry, April, yay. Wiz, yay. Nobody's saying nay except for Gray. Rachel says no. Says nay. Laurel says nay. I don't take nods. I only take nays. Yay. Yay. Static. Nay. Yay. So dumb. Yay. Static. Oh, dude. Yeah. Dude, can you imagine a whole stream of this? The yays do have it so far. Yay. Okay, I think I'm counting definitely twice. There we go. Okay. That's a nay. Yeah. Okay. Looks like we're doing reading comprehension, bros. You can't stop the wave. The wave is too strong. You gotta ride that wave of reading comp. And I gotta drink my Diet Coke so that I can power up for the second half. Nay. All right, we're gonna do it. And oh, guys, I forgot to mention. I said it wasn't poetry. It is poetry. Yay! So yeah, we're gonna be doing poems. Sorry, Sheba. Yeah, dude, I should make a static intro. Okay. All right. Let's do it. We're going to do it. Bros, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid of poetry. As if you guys are actually afraid of poetry. All right. Let's get it. So, did I tell you I did prep today? I did prep for the stream today because I was so lazy yesterday. How am I going to do a static stream? Great question, Pokar. I don't know. I'm currently conducting surveys with scientists, very high-ranking scientists, to figure out how to do this static stream. Yeah, Rachel, I may just call you Sheba for the rest of your life. Um, uh, don't be afraid of poetry, bros. Don't be afraid. You can do it. Listen to your heart. Um, okay, here we go. All right, if you're afraid of poetry, close your eyes. There it is. Oh my gosh, there are questions. Okay, so this poem is called Orange. Oranges. Okay. I picked this one out because it's old. It's not as old as they most are, but I think it's a really good one. So yeah, let's go through this one. I did this one with Tejas last week. So shout out to Tejas. He's on vacay right now, I think. Yeah. Okay. So there it is. So go ahead and read this poem. When you're done, all the people who are melting at the side of this poem. When you're done, type "done" in all caps, so I know you guys are like good or whatever. So go for it. You guys are so. That's so funny. Oh, you can't see? Hopefully you can. Dude, you read this in cons? No way. Whatever. These are all my questions. So I didn't take these questions for anyone. So go ahead, read this poem, guys. Take your time reading it. Take your time reading it. Make sure you comprehend it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's not Tejas, it's Tejas. Yeah, I didn't know that either, April. Make sure you comprehend this. Speed is nothing. Okay, I'll wait till a couple more people are done here. Take your time, guys. Take your time. Because ideally you read it once and then you're good to go. Yeah, I thought it was Tejas as well, but no, dude, it's Tejas, which is kind of chill. Tejas, kind of like that. It's like tight. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay, Liz. I'm gonna give you guys another minute because I want you to really comprehend this. Okay. All right. Yeah, they might have used this poem, Redwan, but these questions are all original questions of mine. So even if you've read the poem before, this will be hard. I didn't see your theme song, Rachel or April. I didn't see that. I love theme songs. There might be a typo in all of this. Who knows? Okay. Okay. All right, let's do it. Okay, so here are the questions. Bang. The author uses the phrase "my breath before me" to express what? Number one. What do you guys got for this one? I'm not. Oh, oops. I regret everything. Hold on. Nope. Yeah. Wiz thinks it's C. I can't write your names down because it's on the computer. Yeah, I don't know. I think there's like a hate brigade that rolls around. Yeah, so just put your answer in the chat. I'll shout you out. So Wiz got C. Tenzin's got C. Introvert thinks it's C as well. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Thanks, April. Sporsho's got C. Tammy's got C. Phoenix got C. Liz got C. I mean, Zill. Phoenix. Yeah. Yep. Redwan. Laurel. Yeah. Can I highlight where it is? Where what is? Rodney's got C. All right, yeah. I mean, you guys absolutely crushed this one. Rachel, C. Shad, C. Yeah. So when he says "my breath before me," right? He's expressing that it's cold outside, right? He's like, it's I think the fifth line. Beneath my, or no, no, no. Yeah, beneath my steps, my breath before me, then gone. Yeah. So that's what's up. Sixth line. All right, good job, dudes. Yeah, they're just saying that it's cold, right? It's so tough because in poetry, you got to be like, what's literal and what's not literal? Like, what's actually just for real happening and what's suggested? All right, here we go. In the lines, until we are breathing before a drugstore, suggest the walk was uphill. The tension between the two is awkward. They both were speechless at the sight of the store. They had walked in silence. Let's go. And this is at the like midway through the first page. Yeah. Oh yeah, study. The poem is just public domain, but all these questions are mine for sure. Yeah. All right. Introvert thinks it's D. Tenzin agrees. Anybody else? Until we are breathing before a drugstore. April thinks D. That's okay, Tenzin. Liz. Ooh. Introvert's thinking it's A now. Ooh. Mustard's on D. I'm thinking, for me, it's D. Wiz thinks it's D. Yeah, Rodney thinks it's A. Laurel's on D. Henry's there too. Gray's on D. Gray's also Bing Bing Bong. Yeah, Pokar is on D. Okay. So yeah, we have like I built these questions with one idea in mind: inference. Invert still thinks it's A. You have to infer. Yo Gamer thinks it's D. So let's read that part where it talks about it. Okay, so I'm just looking at the middle of the first page. He's like, I smiled, touched her shoulder, and led her down the street, across a used car lot and a line of newly planted trees, until we were breathing before a drugstore. So, what does that suggest? Now, can we say that that walk was uphill and that they're tired and that's why they're breathing? It doesn't suggest that. There's nothing in the passage that makes us think that that walk was difficult. And he's leading her down a used car lot, a line of trees. They never say up a hill or anything. So we can't actually infer it was A. Same thing with B. I mean, if he smiles and touches her shoulder and leads her across the way, then yeah, I mean, it's probably not too awkward. C, there's no proof for it, so it's D. Oh yeah, that too, introvert. It says I led her down the street, not even up the street. So if anything, it's going to be downhill. Yeah. So yeah, it's definitely D. Yep. Yeah, I see what you're saying, that it's like holding your breath is like silence, and you can only ever really hear yourself breathing if you're being silent. So that's also kind of the suggestion, is that like as they're walking, they're just kind of quietly walking until they both are kind of breathing. You know how like in the winter when it's cold, you can kind of hear things better. Yeah. All right, so let's go to the next one. Ooh, this is a great one. The sales lady sold the boy the chocolate. A, because he paid for it. B, because she felt bad for him. C, because she understood his plight. D, because she preferred the orange much more than money. Let's go. You got to introvert. This is where the comprehension of the poem is so important. Red One's got C. Rodney agrees. Phoenix agrees. Tenzin agrees. Tammy agrees on C. Okay. Introvert C. Henry's on C. Sporsho, Liz. Okay. All right. Muster, that's what's up. Where is Geo? I don't know where that dude is. Vacay or something? Laurel, Rachel. Yep. Tammy, that's right. A is incorrect because of that. Really nice. But you could say he paid with an orange, maybe. Um, yeah, sometimes, Liz, if you take it from top chat reply to live chat, all of the chats come through. Confirm, not A. Yeah. Yep. Shad's got C. Gamer's got C. Shad also thinks it's M. He might be having a stroke. Please check on him. Yeah. Good. A lot of people did not fall for that trap answer. Very nice. Yeah. Good, dudes. Really good. That's what's up. All right. Yaman. Yaman. I probably can call you a Yaman. I remember that. Yep. Mustard. That's the line. Yep, April. That's the right. Exactly. She knows what's up. She knows he does not have the cash. And he's just like, you know what? I'm going to try it. I'm going to see if it works. And he's confident. And he's like, listen, I'll give you something. The one thing I can give you, I'll give it to you. And she kind of, yep, exactly, introvert. Yep. Yep, put a nickel and an orange. So you could say that he paid for it, but she didn't have to take an orange. That's not like money she's required to take. So the only way she took it is she said, the lady's eyes met mine and held them, knowing very well what I was all about. And notice how I read that, dude. Only stop with the punctuation. The lady's eyes met mine and held them, knowing very well what I was all about. He's just like, all right, let's swing for the fences here. And I also love how he kind of plays it cool too, and he realizes he doesn't have enough money. He's like, I didn't say anything. You know what I mean? He's like, I'm not gonna freak out. I like that. I'm like, good on you, homie. All right, let's keep cruising. Yeah, exactly, Tenzin. Yep. And he's just trying. The lady at the store probably saw that he was trying to impress this girl, and so, oh, that's really weird. Why I want it? Hold on, let me make sure. See if I can change it. There we go. Easy. The interaction with the sales lady at the store affected the boy by. This one's hard. Red one. I don't do SAT streams, but I will really soon. As soon as I'm done with my SHSAT season this year, I think I'm going to do SAT streams, bro. Just because I'm having so much fun doing these, I'm like, I'm going to do some SAT streams. I already have like a couple things planned. So if you are taking the SAT, we're going to start studying in October or in November. So yeah. Yeah, she's a nice lady. Okay, Skills thinks it's C. Venna thinks it's C. Or no, that's the old question, sorry. Laurel thinks it's C. Tenzin thinks it's A. Rachel thinks it's A. Yep, Venna thinks it's A. Introvert thinks it's A. Okay. Laurel agrees with that. Tammy thinks it's A as well. Gray's on it. But I'm curious why you guys think it's A. That's my question. Henry thinks it's A. Phoenix is thinking it's D. Okay. Geek's on A. Phoenix is on D still. Yeah. Dude, I think I'm going to do SAT on this channel, Shad. I think I'm going to just make this channel SHSAT and SAT if I had to guess. Okay. Skills thinks it's A. It's C or A. Who knows? Yeah. Yeah, that could be it, Tammy. Could be it. Yeah, I'm curious what your explanations are for this one, guys. Like why you think it's one answer over the other. Like Tenzin, why you think it's D. Or why you think it's A or B or C. Pokar thinks it's C. Shad thinks it's A or V. Aha, yeah, there you go, Muster. Okay, there you go. Sporsho's got C. All right. All right. So, guys, with this one, we're talking about inferences still. Okay. So, with inferences, it's never going to be stated exactly in the text. Like, nowhere will it be like, and I was so humbled by this experience, or this experience gave me great confidence, and therefore I did this. They'll never outright say it. That's the old SHSAT. The new SHSAT is we assume you already know the answer, and you have to pick it up by context clues. So, if we know we're not going to be given it directly, we have to look at his actions. You know what I mean? Like if I look at somebody and I'm like, how are they feeling? All I can do is look at their actions. I mean, I could go up and ask them, but if I just want to like people watch, I look at their actions. So look at the way that he acted before the store. He says when that girl came out, he smiled, touched her shoulder, and led her down the street. So he just kind of touches her shoulder and then leads her down the street, right? That's pretty cool, comfortable, or whatever. After the store, I took my girl's hand in mine for 2 blocks. So he's feeling it. He is feeling it. He knew he got away with something. And now he's not just going to touch his girl on the shoulder and lead her. He's going to grab her by the hand, which is an escalation. You know what I mean? He's like getting closer to her. And so because of it, so before he only touched her shoulder. Afterwards, he's holding her hand. So, I mean, obviously, he's not feeling worse. He's obviously feeling a little bit better there. Like he's got a little bit more going on. And that's kind of what the poem suggests. You know what I mean? Like we'll go into it deeper, but he's definitely been feeling it. So that's what's up. That's what's up. So the answer is A in this one. It gave him confidence, right? Okay, thanks, Sporsho. Appreciate that, bro. All right, let's keep cruising. Yay, yay, yay. The last two lines. I think we only have a couple more here. The last two lines suggest the boy is warming up the orange in his hand. It's hard to see in the snow. The orange has power to the boy, or the boy's breath over the orange seems like steam. Let's get it. I know, dude. He's feeling cocky. You got to respect the game. He's making his move. Go on now. Yeah. I think just it gave him the confidence to know that he could overcome a situation like that. You know what I mean? All right. Phoenix has got C on this one. Laurel's got C too. Okay. Any other answers coming in here? No. Just mumbling. Blah, blah, blah. April's got C too. Okay. Tenzin's got A. Sporsho. Ooh. Tenzin's retracted it. He is a mad lad, dude. Introvert's got C. Wiz has got C. Okay. Rachel's got C. Henry's got D on this. Pokegar's got B. Gamer's got C. A is preposterous. Yeah, I mean not really. It's just with the problem with A, Rachel, is it's not relevant to the poem. Yeah, if you put a cold orange in your hands and like rub it in your hands, you'll warm it up. But there's nothing in the poem to suggest that's what he's doing. Yeah. Venna's got C. Tammy's got C too. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, exactly. It can't really be inferred. If he's like, I rub the orange with my hands to get the skin to loosen, then yeah, I mean, it's going to be warming up, but he never really says that. Okay, Tammy's breaking it down like a professor right now. She's got A broken down, B broken down. D is just a no. Why not? So, okay, let me go over this one. The problem with A is what we already talked about. It can't be inferred that that's what he's doing. It just says, what does he say? He just said that she unwrapped the chocolate. I peeled my orange. It was so bright, right? He's not rubbing it or doing anything like that. B, bros, it never says it's snowing. It never says it's snowing. It just says it's cold. So we can't assume that it's snowing, and we know it's cold and icy, but nowhere in the poem does it say snowing. So we can't assume that they can't see the orange because of the snow. So we're between C and D here. Now we have to look at it in the context. Now he had these oranges. He was able to use one in a moment that really mattered. So you can tell that meant a lot to him. And now he's got one orange left, right? And so the oranges must feel really good to him. I mean, he brought oranges and they were able to be used in a crazy way. So that feels good to him. Now, is the author trying to say he's just scarfing down this orange and that his breath is like a fire? Is that what he's saying? I don't think so. Because he says, from a distance, someone must have thought I was making a fire in my hand. Now, I think to me, that suggests that it's C for sure. Yeah. Okay. Next question. Is this the last question? Is this the last question? No. Oh yeah, this is the last question. And then I have another poem for you guys I really want to do. Okay. No. 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 Hold on. We've got some technical difficulties here. Nope. Hold on. All right, hold on. I've ruined everything. Hold on. All right, hold on. I keep saying hold on, but really hold on. Okay, there we go. Nice. Nice. All right. All right. Let's get it. The boy originally had 2 oranges in his pocket because he had planned to eat them with a girl before a change in plans. He keeps unusual items stored in his jacket. It warmed his hands like a fire. The poem does not indicate why. What to answer here, boys and girls? This is it. Why did he have 2 oranges in his pocket? Laurel's got D. Phoenix agrees. Tenzin agrees. Gray's got A. Introvert's got D. Wiz got D. Okay. Phoenix is on it. Yo Gamer's got D. Yeah. Skills has got D as well. Geek's got D. Henry's got D. Vanna's on it too. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Introvert for sure. Tammy's on it. Sporsho's on it. Great. Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly it. D for duh. Well, it's not duh because sometimes you can make inferences. Studies got it. Yeah, I mean, it could be that he knew he was going to buy something. Yeah, we don't know. Shad thinks it's X. April thinks it's D. Yeah, that's a pretty good explanation. B is not stated, neither is D. Yes. Yes, exactly. B and C are not stated. So it's either going to be A or D, guys. A or D, that is it. Yeah. So it's clearly E. Good job, introvert. That's 300 IQ. Nice. Yeah, really good job, guys. Yeah, and notice what's the problem with A, and I kind of threw it in here on purpose. Before a change in plans, is there anything in the poem that suggests that plans changed? Because he led her down the street and to that bodega or whatever. He led her there and then went inside and asked her what she wanted. So that doesn't sound like a change in plans, bros. That sounds like his plan, right? Yeah, dude, Muster, you are right. Exactly. Yeah. So we have no idea what his original plan is, but it doesn't seem like any change was made to his plan. It's never like, we saw the bodega and I thought, well, let's give it a shot. I've never been. No, he's like, we walked before the store and we were there. You know what I mean? Yeah. Oh wow. That's absolutely exceptional. Good job, everybody. That's too funny. Actually, that's really too funny. Okay, let me pull up this last poem I want to talk about. Let's see. It's gonna get weird for a second. All right, you'll have to tell me if I've done this poem before or not, because I'm not 100% sure if I've done it. So I'm gonna pull it up and see what you guys think here. Oh, dang it. Ugh, whatever. Okay. So we do this window capture. I'm like talking you through it as if you guys care. Okay. Have you guys done this poem with me? Have we done this poem together? It's kind of interesting. Let me know if we've done it. I kind of forget what we have done and haven't done. To be quite honest, familams. Sorry. Okay. Okay. So, guys, here is the question. Here is the poem. So go ahead and read this poem and tell me, guys, tell me what you think. Um, okay. So let's read this. Okay, just let me know when you finish reading it. Just say done in the chat. And just make sure you guys make sure you understand what's going on. It's just a super short, simple poem here. That's the whole poem, Tammy. Yeah. This is the whole poem. Okay. There's going to be 1 to 2 poems on the SHSAT, Gray. For sure. At minimum 1, maybe 2. Yeah. Okay, I'll give you guys like 10 more seconds to look at this. Yeah, it's only 5 lines. This is E. Cummings, bro. Yeah, well, dude, Venna, there's no rules for poetry, bro. Let me turn off my camera so I'm not wasting my computer speed. Okay, you guys ready? Here is the question. What's the answer? Um, all right, so Phoenix has D on this one. Tenzin's got D, Laurel's got D, Tammy's got it. April's got D, Introvert's got D, Gray's got D, Redwant's got D. Yeah. Yep. Good job, Pokar. Yeah. Dude, I'll read through this, Wiz, so that you can understand it. So check it. Listen, I don't stop unless I see punctuation, guys. A total stranger one black day knocked living the hell out of me. Who found forgiveness hard because my, as it happened, self he was. But now that fiend and I are such. Yeah. I got IQ's got D, D for die. Miscellaneous is just getting on the bandwagon. That's funny. Yeah, so let's look at this first part. A total stranger one black day knocked the living the hell out of me. Now, notice he doesn't say knock the living hell out of me, which would be normal. That the is after living. So it's to suggest that things are weird. It makes you feel weird to read it, and that's how he feels. So that's why he put it out of order. Isn't that crazy? The second line, who found forgiveness hard because my, as it happened, self he was. Now we can get rid of that parentheses because he's just saying for sure. So let's read it without the parentheses. Who found forgiveness hard. He's talking about the stranger. Who found forgiveness hard because myself he was. E. Cummings is saying the stranger is him. The stranger, myself he was. So the stranger is him. He's talking about himself. Yeah, he was himself. So it's like some part of his subconscious or whatever in that first line comes up and just gives him the shivers or like reminds him of something that was really cringy or like whatever it was, throws him for a loop. And he's having a hard time forgiving himself for like whatever it was. But now that fiend and I are such, which means that stranger and I are in that scenario. We are just in that situation. So yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, and what Tammy's doing is smart too. You can go through the last one, the other answer choices, and be like, "What's wrong?" A, an altercation on the street. I mean, you could say that. It doesn't say the street, but you can assume it kind of. But I don't know if that's what the whole point of the poem is. I'll keep it open. B, old friends. Never says they're friends. Says he's a total stranger. C, a familiar enemy. Can't be familiar if he's a stranger, guys. So it's between A and D. And if you don't catch that it's about himself, then you're going to pick A. But you guys were like pretty slick. So good job. 10 points to everybody. Pat yourself on the back. Remember that you're great. Okay, so let me stop. Let me stop OBS for a second just so that I can like delete some stuff. I'll be back in like. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, I just had to make sure that I deleted those windows or else my computer would literally die. All right, so time to turn on lights. Guys, this is not a normal stream. This is a super stream. That's what's up. So I have more problems that I want you guys to do. Okay, like there's definitely more problems that I have prepped and ready for you bros. But do you guys have any? Yeah, it's fast. I just needed to like literally delete the window and then put it back up. No, I have no idea how the SHSAT is. Okay. So do you guys have any suggestions of things you would want to work on? Because I want to give you guys the opportunity if there's things that that you have questions about, or that you're working on, that you're confused about, or that you're studying. Um, yeah. April, I wish I worked for Pearson's. I wish I had a cool job like that. I'm just tutoring. Um, but if you guys don't have anything you guys want to work on, we can definitely work on these. Okay, so Venom was asking about functions. We've been doing functions a lot. I think I'm going to be doing a video about that really soon. But if you go back to the previous like 2 or 3 streams and just skip through it, Vena, we do a lot of function work. So Tenzin wants to do triangles. We want to do some factoring stuff, some verb tense stuff, maybe some grammar stuff. Okay, factoring. Okay, I see that. Special triangles. Um, Minecraft logic. Go to sleep in the void, dude. Um, let's see. Factoring is fun. Okay. So we can do factoring a little bit. Oh yeah, Shad, you emailed me that problem. That was a good one. Let's do that one, actually. Let me see if I can find it though. Oh, whoops. Oh yeah, that was a weird question, Shad. I actually really didn't like that, the wording of that question. Hold on, let me pull up my email here. Okay, yeah. All right, so this is from Shad, or one of her books or whatever. So I'm going to do my best to recreate this and not make it look total trash here. Okay. 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 Wow. Absolutely. You'll have to excuse how bad some of my angles are on this. I normally like to give you the freshie of the fresh, but this one kind of looks like I got it out of the trash can. Especially this line right here is so bad. No problems, no problems. We're good, we good. Okay, so the question here is, what length of ribbon was used to rape the box? All right, guys, what length of ribbon was used to wrap the box? That's the question up in this. So let's go. I don't know the answer to this one. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and if you guys have study material, or you're looking for study material, check out the Discord, because people are like, you know, helping each other out as far as like giving each other study material and stuff, and it's really sick. I know the picture is confusing, but I did my best. Is it really that bad? Do I need to? Is it? Do I really need to redraw it because the picture is so bad? It really doesn't look right. I know it. It looks like I got it out of the trash can. Should I redraw it? I kind of don't want to redraw it, but I can. I can do it. All right. All right. I'm going to redraw it. Sorry. I'm going to redraw it. That was trash. I absolutely regret everything. Let me redraw this, guys. Okay. This will not suck. This one will be good. I can almost guarantee it, but I won't guarantee it because I don't know for sure. Okay. Let's just do a little bit of that. Let's do a little bit of this. There we go. Whoops. Okay. Without my ruler, I'm doing my best I can. Okay. So far, so good, bros. Nice. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 7. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Let's see. It's like this. This. Okay. Wow. Already looking so much better. Okay. That is looking legit. That's what's up. Okay. So we know that this is 20 centimeters. We know that this is 45 centimeters. And we know that this is 15 centimeters. Okay. How much ribbon do we need to use to wrap? Okay. We're trying to wrap the whole box. All right. That took forever. I'm sorry for taking so long to make this problem, but yeah. Let's get it. Shah's got some answer choices here. I'm not going to give you guys those. You guys can do this. Is that better though? Look how good that looks. Thanks, Rachel. I need all of the self-assurance I can get when I don't have my ruler. Yeah, the ribbon's on the bottom too, Tenzin. You can assume it's on all sides the way that it is, yeah. You put it in MoMA? That's so nice. I want to be in MoMA. Thanks for the question, Shad. This is a good one, dude. Ah, sorry, Pokar. Too late, bruh. Yeah, they do overlap. It's okay. Yeah, it's all sides for sure. It's okay, miscellaneous. We'll go over this, bro. Don't even trip. This is a really good one. It's kind of similar to surface area a little bit, where you have to like add and add and add and add and add. Farzana. Wiz. This is a hard question. Not a lot of people are getting to the same answer. That's kind of fun. Maybe we'll do a redemption. I'll give you guys like another minute. Tammy, you got a different answer? Ooh. Oof. All right, I'll give you guys 30 more seconds and then let's get it. It's kind of surface area. Kind of. Sporsho. Yeah. Okay, 5 seconds. Sporsho. All right, cool. Let's go over it. Mustard's got 250. Wow, a lot of different answers. We're going to have to do a redemption for sure. 320 from Gamer. Only true gamers will understand. 320. Luo's got 322. All right. All right. Study's got it. All right. Phoenix, same thing. I keep saying all right, and then I look up, and there's like 3 more answers. Okay. So that's long enough. Keep in mind, 3 minutes. Anything longer than 3 minutes, guys, you're wasting your time. Like, try to keep it as nice and tight as possible. So, guys, the reason why I say this is surface area is because we have to count a couple different times. And we're talking about length of ribbon. We're not talking about the area of the ribbon. We're just talking about how long it is, right? If you buy ribbon, generally you buy it by length. Either you buy a foot or you buy a couple yards of it. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, we do have to do a bunch of adding here. So, let's just start labeling how long these ribbons are. This ribbon right here is 45. This ribbon that goes across is 20. This ribbon that goes up is 15. This one is 20 as well. This one is 45 for sure. And this one is 15. Okay, so those are all the sides we can see. Now we know that there's the same surface underneath here. We know there's another one of these surfaces on the back end. And we know that there's another one of these surfaces on the side. So we can always just double our answer and get to it, bros. So let's add all this up. It kind of sucks, but we got to do it. 45, 45, that's 90 to start. 15 and 15, that's 30. So that's going to be 120. Then we have 20 and 20, and that's 40. So we get 160. So that is for all the sides we see. And like I said before, there's another one of these sides on the back, and there's another one of these sides on the side, and another one of these on the bottom. So we have to double this answer. $320. Let's go. That is nice. That is nice. Yeah, good stuff. Really, really good stuff. Cool. Cool. Okay, right on. So let's do redemption. Redemption time, bros. Wow, dude, I'm getting better at these. Okay. All right, dudes, here's your question. What is the surface area in inches? Let's go. Dude, thanks, Rachel. You're like so awesome, Rachel. Thank you for pumping me up. Surface area is like, areas like 2 dimensions, length times width, like a box. That's the area. What's the area of all the surfaces, Wiz? That's what I mean by surface area. Sorry, introvert, can't do it, bruh. A lot of people are getting this though. 448. I made this hard on purpose though. Whiz. Ah, sorry, dudes. Once I have your name down, that's it. 264 study. All right, guys. So if you guys are still working on this, guys, keep in mind, I want it in inches. Bros, I put this in feet. Don't be tripped. I'll just put your name as stuff, miscellaneous. Okay. All right, I kind of want to go over this one really quick just because I just thought it was so difficult. Okay. Yeah, so this is feet. So how many inches is this? Well, we have to multiply it by 12 to figure it out. Is 8 times 2 is 16, 80, 96 inches. So this is actually, get rid of this 8 feet. Let's do 96 instead. So that's the first thing you have to do. Notice that I made 8 feet, bigger than 6. So if you think everything's inches, the diagram checks out. Like they're sneaky, bro. They are sneaky. So let's check it out. What is the surface area of all of these? Well, this is going to be 36 inches. I mean, that's obvious. This one is 6 by 96. So I actually have to do that multiplication, which stinks, but whatever. 30, 54, 57. So this is 576. This under the name tag is 576. So the three sides out of the 6 we're seeing are this. So let's add them up. 576, 576, 12, 14, 15, 10, 11. Plus the 36 would be 8, 8, 1, 1. Oh, that's cool. 1188. Dubs. So 1188 is the surface area of all of this that we can see. But keep in mind, there's another one of these sides on the bottom. There's another one of these sides on this side. There's another one of these sides on that. So we have to take this 1188 and we have to multiply it by 2. 16, 16, 17, 2 and 3, 2376. Oh man, Venna with the 10,000 IQ. Wow, that is crazy. Oh my gosh. Seemingly easy problem. Yeah. All right, so I imagine you guys do have questions about this. Do we need to do a redemption of a redemption? Is that what we need to do? Yeah. Oh, dude, you got to multiply Farzana. Yeah, man. That's why I always practice multiplying. Like my multiplying skills are like legit since doing these streams, just because I was like practicing, practicing, practicing. Yeah, dude, Venna with the big brain. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. That is crazy. So let me shout out to these guys here because what would that be? 8 times 6 would be 42. So 42 times 4 would be 8, 4, 16, plus 36 and 36, 72. Yeah, I don't know where you guys got that number from. I can see where 240 something would come from, but I don't know where you guys got that from. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 72. That's 8. Did I do that right? 42. Yeah, I don't know where you guys got that answer from. Yeah. Yeah, watch out. Okay, cool. So yeah, really good. Should we do a redemption or should we just move on? You can name the next box. Yeah, if it helps you focus on the value on the values. All right, we need to do a redemption. That was not good. You guys can do better than that. I respect your intelligence too much to move on without allowing you a chance to redeem. All right, so let's get it. Oh, it's 48. Duh. Okay. 6 times 8 is 48. Duh. Sorry. Yeah, obviously I'm like, make sure you do your multiplication right, and then I immediately do mine wrong. I'm just human. All right, redemption time, bros. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna make it a little bit different. Ooh, that's kind of nice. That's a good little line there. Okay. Ooh. That's also nice. Okay, we are in play, guys. Here we go. There it is. There it is. Wow. 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 Can you just feel it? Wow. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Wow.
Okay.
Okay. Wow. That looks like a nice sheet cake.
Can I get
a name for this?
Are you serious?
Are you serious? There's two statics?
Is this a
Is this a double static scenario?
No way.
No way.
No way. No way.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Wow.
Double static.
Just to prep you for the 900 all static stream. Wow. Incredible, guys. What a time to be alive. Can you believe it? What a time to be alive. Absolutely incredible. Wow. Dude, I bet new people to the stream are just like, what? Guys, leave a like if you like the statics. Leave a like if you are excited for the 900 sub all static stream. I'm so pumped for it, dudes. I'm so pumped. Double static. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, here we go. Question, let's get it. Redemption time. Redemption time. Dude, thanks, Buster. I'm paid to get with glue paint. Please don't eat this cake. Yeah, you do need to paint the bottom. Yeah. 1,000, Laurel? Sorry, introvert. Sorry, bro. Phoenix has got 100. April's got 100. Phoenix, you already have your answer, dude. You can't change it. April. Venna. Gamer. Henry. I already got you for 100, April. Sorry. Genesis. Nice. Wiz, why? Mustard's got 920. Don't I already have you, Mustard? No. Okay. It's not 1,000. Total area is surface area, Wiz. Yeah, dude. Total area is surface area, bro. You don't even trip. Yeah, you're good. So. Yeah, you're good. So. I know introvert is pissed. Okay. I'll give you guys like 10 more seconds or like 15 more seconds and then we'll go over it. Wiz is not okay. That's dude, Wiz, that's volume, my dude. And you should have used 20 instead of 2. So you might have just accidentally got the right answer there. Why Why am I painting a cake? Because my cake. Yeah, dude, Wiz is getting trust issues. Oh, sorry, Rachel. What'd you get? What's your answer, yo? Oh yeah, I think the chat went too quick. I missed you and Farzana. Yeah, yeah. So Wiz, you're actually I think okay. Um, so you just lucked out, dude. Uh, yeah. All right, so let's go over surface area. So there's only three sides we can see, but we know that there's two of this side, two of this side, and two of this side that we can't see. So let's look out the area, right? So 10 feet, oh, that is two. 10 feet by, well, that is two. 10 feet by 40 feet, this is going to be 400 up in here. 40 feet by 2 feet, that's going to be 80 up in here. 10 feet by 2 feet, that's going to be 20. So totally, that's going to be 500. And we know it's going to be times two because there's two of each side. And you get to the 1,000. The redemption is absolutely real. Now, what Wiz did was solve for the volume, which I think is hilarious. Because, guys, remember that the volume is length times width times height. And if you multiply 10 times 2 times 40, that's 20 times 40. I actually don't know here, Wiz. I don't know how you got that answer, bro. Because you should have gotten 800 if you did that. But you put 1,000. So I don't know. I think your brain is so smart that even when you don't do the work right, it takes you to the right answer, dude. That's so good. Yeah, exactly, April. As long as you know how to do it, it really doesn't matter. Um, yeah, good stuff, dude. Don't go too quick, guys, because it's not about speed. A lot of kids finish the test early, but a lot of kids don't get into the specialized high schools. So keep that in mind. Like, you get 3 hours total for the whole test. Use all 3 hours, dudes. Um, yeah, paint is normally surface area. What did you do, Wiz? 800 plus 40 plus 160? That works, dude. That's perfect, actually. Yeah. Yeah, dude, introvert. You should play Deep Mine if you haven't already, introvert, because that's why I built that game. It you get two things you have to be in math. Really smart and really precise. You got to have both. If you're really smart but you're not precise, you're going to make mistakes just like the dumb kids. So you might as well not be really smart. Or if you're going to be just really precise but you don't have the intelligence to make it work, then you're going to have a hard time building equations and stuff. You got to be both. You got to be super smart, super precise with stuff. And that's like generally the key I've noticed for kids who've gotten stupid high math scores is they're super diligent about their math and they can figure out everything. Yeah, that's how I would like prepare yourself is be precise and to be smart. But the redemption is real. So I know you guys have the first thing. Just make sure you're the second thing. Make sure you're diligent. No, DeepMind is not updated yet. I have not been able to get to it, dude. I like all of a sudden I just got all of these tutoring students and it's just like whoa. So it's like I have not been able to like because whenever I get a tutoring student, that's like the top priority for me. So I haven't been able to like get to DeepMind because I'm grading homework and I'm like building questions for kids. Like all the questions I send for homework stuff are custom. Like I don't steal and I don't rip from anybody else. So yeah. Okay, cool. I can't give you a pass to the 58th problem, but maybe when I do the update, I'll give you guys who all like crushed it before. I'll give you guys like a special pass or whatever. Oh, you dude, you gave up at 49, Tammy. Oh, that's so sad. Uh, cool. Let's see. Um, Let me see here. What could I do? Okay, how about this? Ooh, this is a good question. I like this one. All right. In a business deal, Finester got 55% of the profit. If he got 30 more dollars than Mark, how much of the profit did Mark receive? Oh yeah, I might give you a pass, April. Remember to have fun and listen to your heart. I was trying to make a really hard one for you guys. Hopefully this is hard enough. We started easy, build that confidence, and then whoa, here we go. Muster, you might want to, I don't know, 1350. All right, I'll give you guys like 30 more seconds on this. Whoa, dude, April with a big brain. Oh my gosh. Wow. Dude, April with a huge brain. Wow. That's good. Oh, study, I already got an answer from you, bro. You had that extra zero on it, dude. I saw that. What's up, cracked? Welcome. You got to the end of the super stream, bro. Shot. Study, I already got you for 1350, bro. Yeah, I'll explain what April said up in the chat earlier, but it's pretty on, dude. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Oh, gamer, I already got you for 180, bro. Okay, cool. So, it was split between Finester and Mark. Yeah. All right. That's what they call someone, by the way. If like they're trying to scam you and they think they can scam you, they call you a mark. So I don't know. Take that or leave it. All right. So in a business deal, Finester gets 55% of the profit, and he got 30 more dollars than Mark. So that means that Finester is going to get 55%, and Mark got 45%. Okay. And the difference between there is $30. That's the difference. So you could say that 10% equals $30 because that's a 10% difference, and Finester got 30 more bucks. So 10% of the profit is $30. So if 10% of the profit is $30, that means 100%, and I'm going to multiply this by 10, multiply this by 10 is 300, which means that their profit in total was 300 bucks. So we have to then find out what 45% of that is. So we multiply it. We do 300 times 0.45 or 0.45 or 45%, 0, 0, 15, 0, 0, 0, 12, 0, 0, 5, 3, 1. We count 1 0, 2 zeros, bank. 135. That's what's up. For you guys here, you probably did a lot of really good math, but then remember, if you're multiplying it by 2 decimal places, you got to bring it over twice. Yeah, that's what's up. So, dude, good job. That's really good, April. Yeah. Yep, that's what's up. That's how this one goes down. Yeah, super difficult problem, but yeah, 300 is probably going to be an answer choice on there. 55%, so 165 is probably going to be an answer choice on there. So yeah, just keep in mind that like they're going to have a bunch of stuff like that. Oh, I see. Yep. Yep. Great grenade. Yep. Totally, bro. That's what's up. Yeah, you got to watch your subtraction. Stuff like that for sure. Five. Ooh, so Muster was thinking that the 5% coming up from 50 was the. Yeah, exactly. It's not. It's the 30%. Yeah, that's what's up. All right, really nice. Should we do one more problem, guys? Should we do one more problem before we end the super stream? I want to pick a good one for you. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Johei is 7 years younger than Cryptor. 4 years ago, Johei was half of Cryptor's age. How old will Cryptor be in 2 years? Let's get it. Remember to have fun. Overlap problem? Well, you can email me one, Tammy, and we can do it for the stream tomorrow. Dude, I'm going to go over 2 hours, April. I don't care if the A's come get me. I come in peace. They're just here for memes. You just got to give them the memes, and then they'll leave us alone. Yeah, age problem. You could also call these a system of equations problem because you have to build 2 equations to be able to solve for 2 variables. Oh, I see, Laurel. Yep. Yeah, I see what you're talking about now. Got it. Group 1 plus group 3 minus both. Yep. Yep. That's okay. Yeah, Minty. We still stream it, bro. Super stream. Let's go. I know we missed you, Minty. we missed that minty freshness. Okay, Sporsho's got 7. This is superstrém. Minty, this is superstrém, Minty. Yeah. That's funny, Wiz. Yes, superstrém. Yes. It lasts like another 3 minutes, dude. You came at the very last. This is last problem. Dude, and nobody's gotten the answer. What is going on? 2 minutes in. I think you guys are just chilling really hard, which is also fine too. Yeah, I am the one that put super stream because I was lazy yesterday and I didn't stream. So I was like, I gotta come back hard. I gotta come back with flex. I just can't be like, I can't do it. You have to be tough. Yeah, dude, big part of the SHSAT, bros, is demoralization. And I say that a lot. They're trying to get you to give up. Honestly. They're doing everything they can to convince you it's not worth it. You're not going to make it. You're not good enough. They really are trying to convince you. They'll put a hard math problem to start the math section and go, see, you're not smart enough to do this. Like, you got to like fight and go, yes, I am. Like, you got to believe in yourself first and foremost because the test is going to try to convince you to give up and it's too long and don't keep fighting and just relax and don't worry about it. But dude, you got to keep fighting, bro. Like, so many like students of mine came back. They're like, oh, I just wasn't able to finish this section. I was like, what do you mean? Like, you got to push. You got to like go for it, bro. You got to shoot for it or else what's the point? 20 with Liz. Yo Gamers got 12. Yeah, these are hard questions. Yeah, dude, thanks, Minty. It was everybody's help. Yeah, everybody. Yeah, dude, that was so awesome. 10 and a third. I was like so pumped. Thank you guys so much for helping this channel grow and like just coming to the streams and stuff. I'm not trying to get like, heartfelt or whatever, but it's been awesome. Ishani. Okay, skills. Oh, wow, we got a big... Ooh, we might have to do age games tomorrow, dude, just to kind of, like, scroll up. I said 20. Oh, sorry, dude. I got you, bro. Rodney's got it, too. Okay, let's go over this. All right. Let's go. Oh, wait, Tammy? Tammy, I already got 6.5 from you, bruh. 15 on Minty. Well, we're gonna have to go over these tomorrow, guys. Remind me to do age games for sure. Shad's got 20. Put 20 twice. Oh, yeah, I'm dumb. Okay. 24, Henry. Wow, a lot of different answers. All right, let's go over this. That's enough. All right, bros. So check the fresh. We got to do each equation. And we're going to say that J is Johei now and K is Cryptor now. Okay, that's important. So Johei is 7 years younger than Cryptor. So we take Cryptor's age and we subtract 7, and that's going to equal how old Johei is. Pretty exciting, right? So then 4 years ago, Johei was half of Cryptor's age. So Cryptor is going to have 4 less years. Johei is also going to have 4 less years. Johei was half of Cryptor's age, which means that you need to multiply this by 2 to equal how old Cryptor was 4 years ago. System of equations, guys. Wherever I see a J, or actually I'm going to revamp this equation so that it's K equals J plus... Nope. I'm going to keep it like this. So wherever I see a J, I'm going to put a K minus 7. So K minus 4 equals K minus 7 minus 4 times 2. So now we only have one variable in the equation, and we're good to get this going. So K minus 4 equals, and I'm going really slow, K minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11 times 2. So K minus 4 equals 2K minus 22. Looking great, bros. I'm going to rewrite this over here so we can keep going. K minus 4 equals 2K minus 22. Okay, I'm going to add 22 to each side. K plus 18 equals 2K. I'm going to subtract K from each side. So 18 equals K. All right. So, how old will Cryptor be in 2 years? Well, 18 plus 2, and nobody fell for the 18 meme. So nice. I gotta connect all my right answers here. Dude, 20's the answer. Really nice. Really, really nice. All right, dudes. So, I am absolutely beat. I am going to go get French fries. That's what's on the docket today. But dude, Ashani, if you're gonna get all the algebra right, you gotta get those little details right. Like the way I always think about it is like if a mechanic fixes your car, he's like, your brakes are messed up, let me fix them. But as he's putting your brakes back on, he doesn't screw them in all the way, and when you take it out of the shop, your brakes fall off. It's like, well, he might have known how to fix them, but he didn't do it right. He didn't execute. So it's super, super important to be able to execute. Yeah, so don't worry about it if you guys didn't get that. We can do a redemption tomorrow. I know French fries are unhealthy, but I'm unhealthy right now. Okay, so guys, wow. Dude, first I just got to say thank you for 900. Yeah. Thank you for 900 subs. This is so exciting, and I'm so happy, and I just really appreciate you guys all coming in and just grinding and just working. You guys are really bettering yourselves. Like, it's so sick to see. And I've noticed that the chat has gotten really smart. Like, at first, you guys were getting thrown a lot, and now you guys are like, let's get it. So I'm loving that. Thank you for 900 subs, bros. It's been so much fun. And we're going to keep grinding in the rest of the summer, in the fall. We're going to keep grinding. When we get to 1,000, we're going to do an OG chat, an OG stream. So yeah, keep telling your friends about it and stuff like that at Gmail. And then at 1,000 subs, we're going to do the OG stream. Be on the lookout either tomorrow, probably Thursday is when I'll do the the static stream, the all static stream. That'll probably be Thursday. Not Wednesday, just because I want to make sure it's like a legit stream. And tomorrow I'm like, my schedule is it's not even, my schedule is not good tomorrow. It's just so much tutoring and so much work. So Thursday I'll have time to make a really sick stream and to figure out how to do the static. This is so funny. All right, dudes. So yeah, thank you guys so much for studying and just being just chilling and just doing really good work. Anybody who comes to my stream, you can always hit me up via email and I got you for answers. If you have any SHSAT questions and you're studying, there's no reason why you shouldn't know it. So you can definitely hit me up and I got you. I've been sending out worksheets to people and answering their questions and stuff like that. So if you're part of the chat, like, you're a homie. So you get in. Yeah, man. So I got to go. I really got to go. It's time. It's time. But good stuff today, bros. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll leave the stream up for a little bit, but then I'll cut it. So great super stream, bro. Look for the static stream on Thursday. We're going to be getting it. But I'll see you guys tomorrow for sure, 6 p.m. Peace.